Aywa.
Look at this Rayhana team. They are playing around.
Yeah, playing
No work,
around.
no nothing. Just shopping, huh?
Yeah, shopping. We have a lot of money. That's why we are here in
Yeah, I see that.
see, we are here in this is not Kamsa Kamsa. This is an expensive store.
Yeah. Zara, you know.
See how much the sandals is. Oh, how come Nikin you will buy 15,000 Riyal?
Oh my God, Nikon.
Oh my God.
He's so rich.
Yeah, so too much rich. See, Nikin, IB, they have a lot of money. See. So what is your plan?
My plan?
Yeah.
To buy a Lamborghini right now.
You want to
It's
buy
outside, I
You will buy one take one Lamborghini?
think. Yeah.
Oh my God. See? Oh. Alright. Alright. Ayun na po. Ayun mga kabayan. May napili na po ba kayo kabayan?
Wala.
Ha?
Gusto mo yung mahal?
Gusto mo mahal? Hindi kanya mahal. Tandaan mo yan. Okay. Yan po, nandito po tayo sa sa Kamsa Kamsa. Sinikin. Oh, very nice. So. Oh, it's beautiful. You preparing for your wedding?
No.
You want with heels?
Yeah.
This one? How? This one need heels. Kabayan, ito mga 22 Riyal lang po. This one how much? Why you cannot remove? How much is it? Oh, 15 lang oh, kabayan. 15 only. Mura dito para pwede pang package. Oh. Yan. What is that? Sleeping wear?